Hi y'all, it's been a minute, but we are so excited to bring you a new home tour. This time, it's a client build of our Lantana floor plan. This one is a 1-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house plan, and you're gonna love the dreamy porches. Now, Cammie and Paul, the clients, have just finished up building their home, and so they don't have all the furniture and landscaping exactly how they want it, and they are saving the garage for phase 2. But they were kind enough to allow us to come visit and take some photos and share with you so that you can get a feel for the flow and the spaces in this floor plan. So many of you have been asking to see this one, so let's get to it. Wherever we go, we're always on the lookout for where we're going to eat. And even on this 1-hour little road trip through the Texas Hill Country and through this little small town, we were determined to find, or Cody was determined to find some good Mexican food. Let's see if he finds it.
Hey y'all, we're here with Paul and Cammie, and we're in Central Texas, and they're finishing up their Lantana, and they're inviting us in to come see it, so let's go.
Here we are with Cammie and Paul in their beautiful Lantana home, and I am just floored. We're in the foyer. It's absolutely gorgeous, 2-story space, and you get a little peekaboo view of the trusses over the living room and the view out the back. And it's just gorgeous. And we have these, what are these floors?
So they're an engineered hardwood.
Okay, very pretty. And then what color on the outside, what colors did you do? You did limestone bases on your columns?
We did. Yeah, the bases are they're an extra white.
Okay.
And so basically what they do is go through and pick out all the yellow and pull it.
Take it out of the pile.
Yes.
And the tongue and groove porch ceiling with the exposed rafters. Everything turned out so pretty. The porch ceiling tongue and groove is just a subtle blue called Lookout Point by Benjamin Moore. So right here to the right, we have a bedroom and a closet. Bed looks so cute with the windows on each side. Very nice. And then over on the left, we have a little hallway going into another bedroom and the bathroom. This looks so pretty. Oh, I love this tile.
Oh, thank you.
And then tell me about your vanity.
So, look at the ceiling, they did the ceiling too.
Oh, the ceiling in the bathroom. Oh yeah, you did tongue and groove on the ceiling in the
We
bathroom.
did, yes.
We have the shower tub over here. Looks great. And then, okay, so now we're in the gorgeous living room. And tell me some of your favorite things in here.
My favorite thing is the fireplace by far.
Yes,
Yeah,
it turned out
and of
so
course
good.
The windows. I
Yes.
love the windows and the way that just the plan is set up. I love the windows.
Yeah, and then this chandelier is perfect in here.
Yeah, I love the chandelier as well.
Yeah, I love it. And so you use the same white limestone in here and a white oak mantle.
Yes.
Yeah.
All the stone is the same throughout.
And then you made the screen porch into another room. Basically, you ended up making an air-conditioned space, right?
Yes.
And so this was a screen porch on the plan. They put in the windows, and then they decided, you know what, let's just air condition it all. So it turned out great. And so you're using it as sort of a workout room and an office
Yes.
and a TV room. Awesome.
Pretty much for work and working out. So
I love how it flows. Okay, so in the dining room, so tell me about things you have in here.
So the light fixture,
I love it.
I wanted something pretty clean, clean lines.
It's so pretty. So pretty. And this is a family heirloom table?
It is.
I love
yes.
that.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
We're gonna get something bigger for the space. But, yeah, my father-in-law made that. So.
Yeah, it's a big room. Like, you don't realize how big it is.
We didn't until we put the table over.
It's like, because you have the back porch with this, we have French doors going out to that gorgeous back porch, which we're going to go look at in a little bit. Oh, I love this, what you did with this coffee bar.
You like that?
Yes, so pretty. Okay, tell us about the kitchen.
So the kitchen, we wanted to kind of have some warmth to it, so we did the stained island.
Yes, I love it.
Stove, we wanted to have, we do a lot of cooking. I mean, we home cook like every meal.
Yeah, like you said, it's really far to the nearest town.
It is, which we've pretty much always home cooked. You know, we don't do a lot of eating out, so we wanted something that was really.
So you can't tell me where the best Mexican place is around here.
There is a good one in the square. It's pretty good.
Okay. Your stove, tell us about that.
It is a Thor range. It is propane.
Okay.
It's propane stove, and then it's electric oven.
Yeah, awesome. And I love the lighted glass top cabinets that you have. That looks really good. And then your hutch and all of your hardware, everything is just gorgeous. And I love how you went with the polished nickel throughout. It really looks so clean and shiny. And
the finish on the cabinets, are these prefab?
No, they actually painted them here. It's lacquer from Sherwin-Williams. It's not paint.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So it's
That's the
actual
key.
lacquer.
Way better.
Yeah, it's pre-cat lacquered.
Yeah. It's so important to get a good high quality finish on your cabinets in the kitchen because they take so much abuse. I'll link the lacquer that she's talking about in the description. Yes, and then you did the inset.
Yeah, I did want the inset cabinets. I didn't want to see the center style on them. And then I didn't want just the regular, we had regular paint in our other house, and so wanted something that would.
Yeah, it's such a nice look. So
The
pretty.
biggest thing we wanted to do was keep it classic because we don't update anything.
Right.
So we just wanted it to be classic, neutral.
Timeless.
Yes.
It'll be beautiful forever.
Yes.
And tell me about your sink.
Farmhouse sink. It's 27 inch. We did go a little bit smaller.
Yeah. Everything is gorgeous in here. And then these are quartz.
They are quartz. Yeah, it's LG.
Beautiful. So what's your favorite thing about the kitchen?
I would say probably the counters.
The counters.
Yeah, I love the counters.
Yeah. So pretty. Everything turned out beautiful in here. Okay, let's go through to what are we calling this? The pantry?
So, we don't
The pantry's over there, so
we don't really have this set up yet.
Okay.
So right now we haven't really done anything with it. The only thing we use it for is just that right now. We are eventually going to put a garage on, and that's where we'll put this.
The actual pantry is over here in the corner of the kitchen. So here we are in the master bedroom. Oh, I love the barn door, and I love the color that you chose. What is that?
I do not remember.
Cami checked for me, and the barn door color is Benjamin Moore Quiet Moments. And then we did French doors going out to the sunroom area.
Yes.
So that's really cool. And then we'll flow into the master bath. Wow, y'all did a big tub.
We did.
A big soaker tub, wow.
Yeah, we decided against the
freestanding.
The freestanding.
Yeah, it looks really good. And I love the tile that you chose. Okay, let's go to the back porch. Oh, wow. This porch is awesome.
We love the porch.